Hey, hey, ngiyazilofana lona mfethu. Yini ngicela sikubamba inkunzi.
I had goosebumps.
Ayo, boom, it's your boy, King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimantu, mabuyu, bambolunyu, hlase, uphohla amanzi, abafokasa nebebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couples reaching phones mtanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are definitely looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi, and King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, ufuna ukwenza sure uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo, Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with the one and only my son. Welcome, Dlamini Shandala Bobo Shipopo Shibati Keys Baba, but Keys Baba, but Keys Baba Keys, but Please, Baba, please. Shandele Baba, shipopo, 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 shipopo. Please, Baba, please. Sisamile, Baba, samile, Baba, samile, Baba, sinyakazi, Baba. Please, Baba, please, Baba, please, Baba, sinyakazi, Baba. Sinakho sibathumba phansi, Baba, sibathumba phansi, Baba, sibathumba phansi, Baba, sebanyakazi samafeba yabafebe. Inkosi lokhu ibalanda 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4. Is Baba the pastor of the relationships, the navigator, the professor of this game, the original, the owner, the authority. Uqobo bengakaligcobi sengiyaligcoba ngoba ngigcotshiwe ngagcoba bengakacabanga nangokuthi ngisazogcotshwa. I am the chosen one. Shendele Bobo. Look, ngivahlukanisa. Please, Baba, please, Baba, please, Baba, please. Take me to Wabafebayo.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase ubhodla amanzi abafokasa nebebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couples reaching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Kimangandile?
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, bafana bami niyazi angigeji. La ngifika khona ngifika vele izinto seyibhekiwe. Awubheke nje. Lahlile uboy. Ukuthi abayingane endlini beyoqabulana khona belobe bekhothanela la e-bus stop. Awuthi King Ginger nomntwana wakhe, my son, the only one, undodana. Sibangene. Ninjani mfethu? Shap, sure, my brother. I'm in a particular I'm King Ginger, yabo. So ngiphuma e-University of Ngwenya. Yes, I know, no problem. Ungawari nje yami. So now what we do, sambe sibuza nje abantu ama questions mfethu. Sacela can I please nje nginibuza ama questions.
Yeah, why ungabuzanga le amlungu ya?
Mfethu bese ngibone nina nje mfethu.
Yeah, now ungambona naye nje.
Ukahle awuthi yami.
Phela.
Sisi ubani igama lakho?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Oh, Lisa. So Lisa, wena no uyakhuluma noma mhlawumbe you talk?
Yeah, I speak.
You speak. Oh, okay. Showcase. Sure, Lisa Fitz. So is this your boyfriend?
Yes, it is.
Oh, showcase. So now why is he look grumpy? Why is he so grumpy now? Come down. Please tell him to come down.
No, it's fine. We can talk.
Yeah.
Good talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Fitz, when nobody Fitz come.
I'm Nkosinathi.
Nkosinathi.
Yeah.
Oh, Nkosinathi. So you and Lisa and Nkosinathi are dating?
Yes.
Okay. Few questions, my brother, and then I leave you.
Yeah,
So what is it that you love about Lisa?
Yo, I love Betty. Like she is a beautiful, like a good personality.
Sure, showcase.
Yeah, and obvious now you are born.
Ngiyabona vele.
Ngiyabona.
Sure.
Pentshisi.
Pentshisi, ne?
Yeah.
Nah, power to that. So on your side, Lisa, what is it that you love about Nkosinathi?
He's such a sweet gentleman. He's kind.
Sure.
He's everything I want in a man.
Perfect to that. So Nkosinathi, do you see this relationship? Where do you see this relationship in the next 1 year?
In the next 1 year.
Yeah.
I might say I see us ukuthi like sikhule sharp and understand have like a
No,
strong
see.
bond.
Strong bond.
Yeah, strong
Strong bond. Strong bond. Nzam.
Strong bond, yeah. A strong bond, Jack.
Bond.
Yeah.
Manje, when do you think you gonna try make babies?
Whenever.
now.
Not
Whenever
now.
she's ready.
Ah,
She's ready.
Not now.
not now. No, now is not the time for babies.
Yeah.
Okay. So, sister, I want to know from you, Lisa. What your name is?
Lisa.
Oh, Lisa. Bofethu. Now, u represent Lisa kahle. Can I tell you? We have Lisa in our in this company. She's very, very beautiful. And when you are Lisa, also you are representing her very nice. Big up to Lisa, big up to CMTV, Bafethu. Yeah, I can even see, welcome, he's comfortable behind here. Keep on looking at you like you are the real Lisa. Nah. Hey, welcome. Big up,
Yeah,
guys.
straight up for me.
Oh God, why you why is your boyfriend?
Oh, we want to go somewhere.
You want to go somewhere?
Yeah.
I can give you guys a lift, or I can request for
No,
you.
it's fine. We have that covered.
Oh, you have that covered.
Yeah.
I can maybe add something. Yeah, but now I want to know from you, in a scale of 100, how much do you trust Nkosinathi?
I'd say 80.
18. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay. In a scale of 100, how much do you trust yourself?
100%.
100%.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is there anyone else you are dating with besides Nkosinathi?
No, just him.
Just him. Is there anything you want to tell Nkosinathi that maybe you did and then you feel like you deserve to, maybe you want to say sorry even though you got it covered and you passed?
No. I think he knows everything that he needs to.
Nkosinathi, in a scale, if you'll find out that Nkosinathi is cheating, what would you do if you could find out that Nkosinathi is cheating?
I think that would be the end of us.
Yeah.
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 But I hope he's not.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Nkosi, Nayathi,
Yeah.
no Lisa.
Yeah.
You Lisa from?
I'm from Zim,
Which side of Zim?
Harare.
Big up to Zim, big up to Harare, Mtanami. Big up, guys. You know the story. King Change, cream de la cream. When I say King Change, you know the story of Pink. I will be coming to Zim very soon, guys. Bulawayo, I'm coming to you on the 9th. You know the story. And Victoria Falls are also going to be there. And I'm going to be coming to your city very soon.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
meet you there.
Yes, sir. So nje mfisa ukwazi wena mfethu in a scale of 100 umthemba ngana mamazi?
9, Jack.
90.
9 out of 10.
No, in a scale of 100.
In a scale of 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, 95.
95.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice, ne? 95. In a scale of 100 when uthemba ngana?
Clipper.
You.
Yeah.
Sure.
Clipper.
Hola. So ukhona umunye, is there anyone else you are dating besides Lisa?
Is that my Mona Lisa, Jack?
Mona Lisa mntanami, mntwana wasesithombeni.
Yeah.
Showcase. Alright, uza kahle yazi uyangichaza. Ikhona yini? Ukhona yini omunye umuntu othandana? Sewuthandana noMona Lisa kuphela?
Sanala lo Mona Lisa yekuphela yekho.
Ikhona into ofuna ukuyixolisela mhlawumbe kuMona Lisa wayenza mhlawumbe engazi. Clean isifuba baba so that you can start on a clean slate, clean page. Is there anything that you've done before, maybe in the past, but you fix it, but you just want to let her know that she's covered, she's
Ayikho na uyataba umama ukuthi ngimtshela nomama yini.
Ay ntwana yami, ay nina nizale nembethe nina. Uwe lo. Yazi ngisakhula mina bengingekho kanje. Bekunzima.
Angisilungisa amaphutha wethu.
Yeah, niyascore.
Silungisa amaphutha wethu. Lungisa la pizza.
Yo.
We are fixing
No,
your problem,
before you
just
guys
the
go,
car.
because I can see Mona Lisa wants to say now is about that time.
Yes.
But my brother, before I let you know, can I ask this last question, Mona Lisa, please? Before I Lokozana, is there anything you want to apologize? Nothing?
Nothing.
If you would find out that Lisa is cheating, what would you do?
If she didn't have sex with that person, yeah, I might
You
forgive.
might,
Yeah.
But if they did,
If,
so
if
how
they
would you
didn't,
see that?
obvious now uyazi ukuthi bosofaka isandla ephokotheni now uyaliza ukuthi iphokotheni
Never. What if she's been cheating all along? This guy. Your guy now. You must guide him. You must teach him tricks of how to cheat. When you are cheating, how we must catch you.
No, we're not cheating. We're not doing that.
You know, okay, please, man, give your woman a hug. We are done. Yeah, strong one and the strong bond. Tanayami, Mona Lisa. Ay, ay, ay. No, it's nice. It's nice. Love is in the air. Yabona ntwana yami. I'm proud ngawe yazi. But before I let you go, there's a thing that we do. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. When I umuntu wakhe phone yakho for 60 seconds to check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, if you do use those things. Same applies to you. We do the same to have to your phone. WhatsApp, we check all of those things. Are you okay with it? Because you said Vele, you're not cheating, you trust him, and it's only him, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, so you don't have a problem.
I don't have.
Baba, phone. Mama uthana problem then. Aye, wozani ngapha, woza lapha yini? Wozani ngapha, woza ngapha, woza ngapha mala. Me welcome, ima ngapha Lisa. Hey, hey, ngiyazilofana lona mfethu. Hey wena, ifoni, mbambe ye wena. Ifoni. Mfethu awubuye mfethu. Bheka imoto lapha. Ye wena. Hey, awubuye man. Can you talk to your man, please? Check. Mfethu ubuye. Come back, bruh.
Why are you running?
Come back, Efethu. Efethu, come back, Efethu. No. No. There's nothing to be fixed at home. Come, we fix it here. How? What's wrong with you? What's wrong? So are you gonna...
Why are you running?
Yeah. Why are you running?
Fuck.
What the fuck, bruh?
Why are you running?
Hi.
Yini, don't say bambing guns.
I had goosebumps.
Of what?
Goosebumps, you know.
Come back.
Okay.
Of what? Thought here. Of what? What's goosebumps? Huh? Huh? What goosebumps? Huh? Come. Huh? Sister, hey, come, say. What's going on with your car now?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, now I think he has something to hide.
Yeah.
Why would he run?
We thought we could. Hey, bruh. Skip on. Tell me ngapha Lisa. Woza lokuzana. Skip on, mfethu. Uyabuza my sister to skip on.
There's nothing wrong. Just have to talk private, me and you.
Yeah?
We just have to talk private, me and
Or talk private.
Yeah.
Sit down, you've been running.
you. Yeah, I just have to talk with you, man, because there's a lot of things happening, and there's a lot of things. They're just little things.
But you got a chance to talk about lots of things here. We were talking, I asked questions.
Yeah, you were asking questions publicly. I just want to talk with my girlfriend.
Private. Okay, before you guys go private, let's do this private matter first. Sister, so call on phone yakho. We'll start with yours. Please open it for us. Bruh, stop what you're doing, my guy. Stop what you're doing. Come. Stop what you're doing. Now what's up? All right. When I say type, you're going to type here. When you see your name here, tell me. When you see other niggas' name here, tell me, because those niggas will be the one that is pushing your woman. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Showcase, all right. You ready, Lisa?
Yeah, he can go through my...
You can go through it. All right, guys, it's about that time. We are on WhatsApp right now. When we're about to start the Trondis, type it up, Uti, I love you. Lisa, abakushaya mina njengoba umuhle kanje mfethu.
Sorry, I speak English.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. So the guys, do they come to you to ask you out because you are beautiful?
They
How to
do,
manage?
but it's. I respect my men, I respect my relationship, and I also respect myself. So,
Yeah. Hey, baba, kuvelani lapho?
Who's Davido?
Hayi bo.
What were you talking with? We are flirting now.
Uflet uthini?
Hey,
What did you flirt now?
hey.
Who's Davido?
Davido is flirting with him.
what's that? We're just making things up. There's no.
Dog, calm down, Fethu. Oh, put Davido la.
It's fine. Yes.
Fethu, type delete lapho. Type uthi I miss you, fake a red heart. What's going on with you? Why are you being negative now? Are you okay?
I'm good.
Do you want to say something?
Yeah, no.
What's going on?
Do this cheating. Let's go through his phone now.
Vela Nanda, I miss you.
Yeah,
Nothing.
nothing.
Delete lapho. Type uthi sex. Let's make it interesting, Baba. Let's shake things up. Go through sex.
Vela mina kuphela yini.
Yeah, delete. Fake emoji brinjal, fake emoji pinches, fake nale emoji yamanzi lawa water like a squatter, you know. Oh, you know it.
Hakuna licho.
Delete lapho. Type with money so that we can see who sent their money. Yeah, bruh. You must know I dig deep. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. To make sure that the loyalty you are saying is a loyalty. Hey baba, wena ububalekelani wena?
Wow.
Ububalekelani? Wena sazochaza ubugijimisa igazi. Oh. Kuvelani lapho?
Very nice.
Delete type uthi come outside. Yeah.
Yimi kuphela ngiyephumi nabangani bakhe la.
Do you play Facebook?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, Facebook. Now my messenger no. Nayile phahla my messenger. Mangithi type la uzotype la. Makuthi no results ungitshele. Mayiveza ama unread messages ungitshele because she doesn't respond and then sharp. Yeah, we're checking. Type what I love you. So they don't know boys in the hood.
Boys do. They do, but like I said before, I respect what I have going on.
Yeah. And you love what's going on.
I did.
Yimi kuphela
Before I
nabangani
knew-
bakhe la. It's just only me and her.
Puma lap. Do you use Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
Amba with DM Instagram uthi nje I love you share kanjalo. If it's no results tell me.
Easy.
Put this one in your pocket. I would say mawutshele mina ububalekelani mfethu?
Yeah,
Why were you running?
no.
Or you were just exercising?
Just exercising morning.
Exercising, my man.
Yeah.
Yo, ivule ke. And soxabana ke mfethu ungazama ama tricks ke manje. Nakho. Ambala.
Okay.
All right. How are you feeling?
I think I kind of know what I'm gonna see because
Yeah. Okay. Straight contact. Here's your attack. Okay. And I say type on attack here. When you see your name, tell me. When you see other pitchers' names, tell me because those pitchers will beat the one. Will beat the one. Yeah. All right. All right, guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. We're about to start the join this. Type Alapo Uti. I love you. Bro.
Yeah, sure.
Who do you love really?
okay.
I'll listen.
So quick? You expected it, ne?
There's Lorraine.
Ha. Dog, ubathatha phela labantwana bamagama esingisi. And lidala ke leli. Ubani uRoraine?
Hayi.
Ubani?
Umuntu engisebenza naye.
Yo, you love your workmates.
You said love.
They
Oh,
say
you
there's I love you, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we were talking about the content today.
Yo.
What content you love?
Yeah, the content of dancing, the content.
So you dance with this person. So whatever you do, they dance together. When did you start dancing with Lorraine?
Yeah, it's been about 4 weeks now.
4 weeks.
Yeah.
Have you been using condom with Lorraine these 4 weeks?
No, we be dancing.
This doesn't add up.
It doesn't add up, first. And she's fed up because you are running. First, ubani lo Lorraine or simfonele yini?
Ah, singamfonela naye.
Angizwa ngicela ulanda ifoni welcome. Ungijwayela kabi lo. Ungijwayela kabi wena. Ungijwayela kabi. Yes. Yes, ungijwayela kabi wena.
Ngijwayela kabi.
Yeah, ungijwayela kabi. Yeah, we're gonna call this Roland. This one ungijwayela kabi lo. You know what is ungijwayela kabi? It means he's making me a fool. He thinks I am a fool. Because we can see here ukuthi yena no Lorraine exe out yami ngijwa. Yabo le airtime engizoyisebenzisa nalokubaleka kwakho ungijwayela kabi wena. Sister, tell me, when do really when this guy njengoba kuwanje because you're not even apologizing. Yeah. Let's allow the number Lorraine to Alcela, man. Oh. Hey, my brother, start talking. Delete it. Can you type sex and see what is Lorraine appearing? Hey, my brother, start talking, please. I'm still giving you units.
She's there again. In these pictures.
Hey, when? Umthatha lo Lorraine. Lo mntana lona ngathi akanazi inwele njengezethu. Zinobubrain onyana. Awumjeke mfethu. Uhlala phi lo mntwana wena? Uhlala phi?
Ngawara.
Manje usamphika namanje.
Ngiyamphika vele ngoba.
Okay. Awulethe is denying this girl. Imagine. Oh yeah. Please go in there on her media, on Lorraine's media up there. Go there and let's see pictures. More pictures. In. How? Andana mina awudlulele. Boy.
Look, listen.
Hey. Look what? Wena ungipushelani? Look what? Khuluma. Look what?
I want to talk to my girlfriend.
Ubani lo Lorraine for?
I want to talk to my girlfriend.
Oh, yes.
I don't think you should call me your girlfriend, dude. Bye.
Okay, can I talk to this? I want to talk to this.
Okay, talk. Yeah. Listen.
Listen,
Yeah.
I
So-
know what you've seen and yet you believe it, but yet
Yeah.
it is not true though. I understand.
What is it that is not true?
It is not true.
These are your
What is
cards.
this?
This is your phone.
Yeah.
Yes, this is my
How
phone,
can
these
you
are the
say-
charts, but those charts doesn't mean you good I did what you saw.
Okay, at least I asked you to use a condom. You denied. At least because Lorraine, you are fucking Lorraine. Tra.
I'm not fucking rolling.
What are you doing?
We're just dancing.
So they call it
So
dance.
there's got
Yeah.
pictures. Okay.
They call it dance. Yeah. It's a secret
You
name.
can keep on dancing.
Yeah. Dance on top of it.
Ah, Moralisa.
Yini? Wena wenza lo mntana islima wena. Wawenza lo mntana islima. Yeah, Mara, at least I mean, I'm talking for Lisa because when you are making Lisa a fool.
Also talk for yourself.
Dude, I said we're done. If you're cheating, we're done. And you're cheating.
And you are denying. Oh, the bonus. Can we call this Lorraine bitch?
Yeah, because you're denying.
Yes.
we come call her.
Yeah, for sure. Vula le phone yakho futhi. La, hey. Hey baba. Awusavule le phone yakho eceleni. Wena athi uza ngeyitoro. Hold this one. I want to see this number. Wena ungixwayela hambi. Uba Lorraine 1 2 Hey, uba Lorraine 1 2 Uba Lorraine wena. Ha? Yebo? yakufuna lenja ngoba yakubona ukuthi uyacheat.
Wow.
Yeah. Hi, ngicela ukukhuluma Lorraine. Yeah, ngicela ukukhuluma noLorraine. Hi, unjani?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, sure, first. Uyamazi ubani lo wakhe ubani uba igama lakho? Ubani?
Say your name.
Say your name, dude.
You know my name.
What's your name?
Hi.
Kunendoda yakho la ilahlekile lana, yazi sister. Hey, yazi mfethu lo mfana lo. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, ulahlekile la uhamba nentombi wrong. Wena uba igama lakho. Indaba afuna ukukhuluma noLorraine. Awumkhinye welcome lo khipha igama. Awumkhinye ngempela lona khipha igama lakho wena bastard. Khipha ngiyamshaya lo khipha igama lakho. Mkhinye welcome khuluma wena. Khuluma. Talk. Okay, ubani igama? Ubani? Nkosinathi. Dedele Nkosinathi ngipokise kahle. Nkosinathi. Yeah. Awuzwa wena. Awuzwa. Nkosinathi yeah, standing with another girlfriend and is saying you are a friend. Nkosinathi ngizokugcibhaza njalo. Yeah.
Friend, how? Please, friend.
When you've been dating for how long?
I think it was like some few months.
Hey, talk, bro. You said 4 weeks, man. You said you are a dancer. You said you are a dancer, a stripper, yes. You said you are a stripper in Summit.
4 weeks. Are you for real?
Yeah, Talk, Nkosinathi. Nkosinathi ngizokwenza ukhulume.
Can you please take the phone? Are you for real?
Nkosinathi uyakucela intombi yakho le. Nkosinathi I will make you talk. Kade baleka la.
Guys,
Sister,
this is
please talk
wasting
to
my time.
your
I
star.
don't want to talk to her. You can.
The girl now.
No, i-girlfriend yakhe, the real one. The one international. Sister, phone yakho. Oh, yakhe. Yeah. Hey, baba. Yeah. International girlfriend. Wena ufane ngiyiponyele wena mina. Sister, don't cry. Don't cry. Futhi uyaphi Nkosinathi? Uyaphi? Sister, asamfuni lona ne. Sister, be honest. It's over. Ne? You're gonna get a new boyfriend, and it. Sure, welcome. Yeah, protect my sister. Long. Yeah.
Come on, come, let's talk.
What? Talk about what? What is it? What is it that you want to talk about? What do you know about talking when Nkosinathi? You didn't even know how to talk when you were talking to your girlfriend. Yeah. Yeah. Sister, tell her your last words.
Tell him.
Yeah, tell her him.
I have nothing to say to him.
Nothing to say. Pra, it's over. Let's walk, sister. Wena sala la. Mkate welcome asibuke ngihamba nentombi yakhe. Let's go. Don't cry, ne? It's not worth it. Yeah, you're gonna get a good right person. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure that you catch your cab safe. And yeah, I'm sorry, ne?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
thank you guys.
Yeah,
I appreciate
yeah.
this.
Welcome is gonna move him. And welcome, please do come, my brother. Come to me, please, welcome. Sister is not feeling well. When Abugala, you must watch. And then, please, welcome. Give my sister a hug, she's hurt. Give my sister a hug, she deserves it. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Buga, look. You must look. Yeah. No, sister. Yeah. Pantelin, take me home.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambo lunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV. Bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Kimangandile?
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake